Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Rynie Mac, and this is part 2 of my room makeover series. If you haven't already, please follow me on all my social medias. My Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter will be in the left bottom corner, and my TikTok is at Rynie Mac. This is how my room looked before I trimmed and touched up the dark purple paint. I am going to be showing you guys how I break down my bed, also how I mop the floors and prepare them to be tiled, because you don't want your floors to be dirty under your tiles. Like, who wants that? Who wants to be walking on dirt? Like, you're just gonna cover it up? No. So I had to wash the floors, get them ready, and y'all gonna see me do that whole process. Y'all gonna see me start from the beginning of tiling all the way to the end. So please stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video, comment down below how you think it's going to come out, and definitely subscribe because you do want to see me again, and hit the notification bell so that you can definitely see me again. I'm really not supposed to be lifting anything, but when I have to do what I have to do, I have to do what I have to do when I have to do it. So if nobody's around to help me, I will do it. Like, I'm not gonna sit there and wait. So this is why this whole transformation honestly is even happening, because I ain't even supposed to be doing all of this laboring. Truthfully, with the accident that I just went through, I will get more into that in another video, but for right now, I'm not supposed to be doing all this. So watch me do magic, okay? Watch me. Also, this video is for my females who think that they cannot do this. You can definitely do your room over, any space that you want to do over, if you put your mind to it. I'm 5'4", probably no more than 125 pounds, and I was able to paint my entire room by myself and tile the floors. I'm also building the furniture in this room as well. That will be coming in later parts. So please, if you want to redecorate your room and you're watching this video, get up. Go to Home Depot right now. Get your paint, get your tiles, and get busy, sis. Get busy, because you could do it. Everybody say hi to my dad. He's definitely been a big part of me even knowing how to do any of this, because I watched him do this a lot when I was growing up. So I definitely picked up on a lot of what he has done. So it wasn't that hard for me to figure out what to do. It was just doing it. That was a little hard. Actually really hard and really tiring. So please watch the rest of this video. yes, I am aware that I could just buy another piece, but I wanted the paint to match the dark purple that I have trimming around my room. I just thought it would look a little bit better if it was the same color as the dark purple. So do not try and come for me in the comments because I know what I'm doing. Thank you. Probably wondering why I'm using that small brush on the wall as well, but it's just so that I could get the small places that I need to get without having to paint the entire wall over, because that whole process the night before was definitely a little bit too much for me. So yeah, and right here I'm just scrubbing the heck out of this floor with some bleach because it was irritating me, y'all don't understand how fed up I was with the way this room looked, and I just needed to change it immediately. If you're wondering what I'm using bleach, Fabuloso, and hot water. About to change the floors now. I mopped, swept, cleaned. This mattress is going out. I repainted the radiator. That AC is going out. Everything that was in here before is going out. Everything that's in here honestly right now is going out. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all. Stay tuned for the process. Don't mind that stain, please. The towels that I got is from Home Depot. The name of the brand is Traffic Master, and I just got the peel and stick tiles. It was actually really easy to put down. The instructions on the box basically say to just peel, place, stick, and press. That's basically the method that I followed. As you see here, I'm peeling the paper off the back of the tile, and then I'm going to place it exactly where I want it to go, and then I'm going to start pressing down with this little metal piece just so that it sticks more onto the floor and doesn't come up easy. So yeah, those are the steps that I'm doing, and I'm going to repeat that process over and over and over again. If you did not understand it with me saying it, please stick around and watch it, and I'm pretty sure you'll get it because it's pretty self-explanatory. I hope I helped somebody in this video, and give me a like, comment down below if I did, and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can see part 3. Okay, part 3 is coming. to place the tile. Then I'm going to peel the paper off the back of it, but only half so that I don't get the sticky part on my hands. Then I'm going to take the metal piece that I'm using to press down so that it doesn't lift after I'm done. You want to make sure that there's no spaces in between the tiles so they can look as seamless as possible. You do not want it to be looking like there's lines in between, because that's not cute, okay? That's not cute. At this point, my back was on fire, my legs on fire, my arms on fire. But that's just because of what I'm going through personally. But man, please subscribe, like this video. Please watch all the way to the end, because the effort, it was a lot of effort put into this video. It was a lot of effort into this room. It was just a lot of effort, period. So I appreciate you if you got this far. Thank you for watching this video.
works is like this. So I use it as a point system. And everything that you see on the screen right here, so I can just kind of hide everything, guys. This is what the market looks like without cash trap and without hourglass. But what I do, guys, I use a point system for trading. And the point system works like this. So 3 points is a good trade setup. And you can get points from what you see on the screen. So the first area that you can get a point is the arrow itself. So the arrow is actually worth 1 point in the direction that it's pointing. So
that's Matthew there. He turned $500 into $15 million in the span of 21 months trading in the foreign exchange market. So yes, if you were wondering, I trade in the foreign exchange market, and he was live teaching the cash trap strategy that he uses to basically make money in minutes every single day. So I definitely was not missing that for some tiles, and I actually made some money in 3 minutes at the end of this video. So stay tuned if you want to see that too.
Down here, bro. I'm gonna wait the 40-ish seconds, guys, but 9:15. Okay, right now price is actually at 9:20. Price is at 9:20 right now. So I'm gonna wait a second here. This is gonna be another just $20 trade. Again, guys, you don't have to take these trades. I am not telling you to take these trades. These are trade ideas. Take these trades on your own, please. So we got the down arrow. We got currency strength. I believe, guys, that this is going to drop. So I actually got in. I'm in at 9:20. It is glitching like crazy, guys. Oh, I did roll me over. That's okay. It's not reflecting that I rolled it over. Like, it's not giving me the extra whatever amount.
Fuck, come on. Yeah.
Let me know, guys, if you guys cleared your USD. I mean, that thing absolutely tanked. Okay. That was a perfect setup. I mean, this is
made a little bit more money.
I don't know what's exactly.
Made a little bit more money. I know I'm not the only one who makes this face and then can't stop making the face. Like, it's not even on purpose. It's just, honestly, it's just comfortable. Like, I know I'm not the only one. We are at the end of the video though, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope I helped you guys along the way doing your room, and I really hope that you guys come back for part 3 because we not done. We gotta finish these corners. We got stuff to build. Bob the Builder is in the building, so please like this video, comment down below if you want to see more, and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Love you guys. Later.